Most women leave the house in the morning completely unaccessorised, and yet they have loads of accessories. Now, why is that? I can tell you why. It's because the accessories are in such a tangled mess that trying to extract one to wear when you're on your back foot trying to leave quickly in the morning, you will simply lose your will to live. So let me share with you some of my very cost-effective, very easy ways that I organise my accessories. After all, just adding one or two things pulls the look together and you leave the house dressed rather than just putting clothes on. Big difference. Don't judge me. I've been collecting since my early 20s.